So for the second part of my presentation, I'd like to talk about the two pictures that I chose. The top one is for America and the bottom one is for China. The top one visually appeals to the targeted audience and the viewers to help eliminate racial prejudice because of the cultural familiarity of the individuals in the picture. In America, it is very diverse. We have all different types of people, colors, races. Females are generally the ones that have more feelings and are more susceptible to being able to talk people into doing the right thing. So that's why I chose a group of females. Also, the emotional appeal, they're all smiling, they're all happy, and they're all different races, and they're all standing next to each other. And I think that's a big part of the flyer and why the picture was chosen. They visually persuade the viewers because not only is the picture in a straight line and the people are all in a straight line together, they have big smiles on their face and they all look genuinely happy. And seeing happiness genuinely helps people work towards and do something because it'll make them happy as well. On the bottom, it appeals to the Chinese because of not only the different genders and races in the picture, but the age groups. In China, they really value their elders, and in the middle they have two elders surrounded by a bunch of young people. And that appeals to the Chinese because it's huge in their population. It also is a mixture of male and female, which is important. The race is also very important, that they do have the different races. The picture has them all smiling and doing peace signs, which is a big thing in Chinese culture nowadays, especially if you look on their Instagrams and their Facebooks. They're always doing the peace sign. To them, it means happiness. And all these people are extremely happy, which everyone could be if racial prejudice was eliminated.